Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share a tool that can be a game changer for your mindfulness practice and overall wellness in life. It's a life habits tracker. Whether you're cultivating a daily meditation routine or practicing healthy habits or setting goals for personal growth, this tracker will keep you motivated and inspired, and you'll be also growing this beautiful flower here. Let me walk you through how it works. When you open the file, it will show you the instructions page. First thing to do is to read this yellow part, in which you go to File on the menu, and then you click on Make a Copy. And now you have your personalized tracker ready to use, okay? After you do that, you have, so this first tab is the instructions page. You can take a moment to read through this. It gives you all the tips you need to get the most out of your tracker. You'll find guidance on setting your yearly, monthly, and daily goals. Next, we have our yearly tab. And here on the left sidebar, you can just click here, yearly planner. And you will go there. You have this menu, or you have the tab on the bottom. But I find it here very easy. So you can go back to instructions, or you can go back to yearly planner. And then here on the yearly goals page, this is where you dream big and set your intentions for the entire year and for all the areas in your life. You have health goals, career, academic, personal, financial, spiritual, relationship. And here I want to focus on the spiritual goals. If you want, you can make the view bigger or smaller. And here, for example, you can imagine I want to develop a consistent meditation practice. For example, meditating daily for 15 minutes. And if you want to develop this habit, maybe on a daily way, you will have to meditate for 5 to 15 minutes to center yourself and clear your mind. On a weekly basis, maybe you want to dedicate 1 hour for a longer meditation session. And this can be, for example, sound healing session with me, or it can be your own practice. You can be very creative here. And the monthly habit can be explore different types of meditation. So, for example, sound healing, mindfulness, or any other kind of meditation. And you can do this for the other habits, for example, fostering a mindset of gratitude, or read 3 to 5 books on a spiritual growth. So whatever you choose, and you will uncheck. When you uncheck it, it's black. And as you feel that you have accomplished or that you are on your way, you can check and it will become gray. And I already have here a few examples. You can easily delete them or write them. And this is your yearly planner. So as you check your goals, they will appear here, and they will show that, for example, here on the career goals, you had 6 goals and you accomplished 5, and 1 is still being made, being produced, or happening in progress, let's say that way. And as you accomplish more goals, your rows will grow. So if you see, if I remove these goals here, the rows is not with full picture, right? So this is just an example of what you can see. And then when we go to the monthly tab, and like I said, you can go from the bottom, or you can go here and click monthly tracker. You have a graphic that shows you how you are doing every month of the year. So for example, imagine that you want to meditate daily for 10 minutes in January, or practice gratitude every morning, and you can change these goals here. You can check or uncheck them, and the graphic, see, will also change according to the goals you accomplish. So you can see if the graphic is full, which days were not so good, and you can also see by the rows the more goals you add here. If, for example, I eliminate this one, it will automatically set the 100% for the number of goals that you add here. So it's a very easy use. And then we have each month. And just to start, this will be almost empty. But as you fill out, for example, and then on day one, on the first day of January, let's imagine that it was a really good day. And you can see, okay, from the goals I set, I did around 60% of them. And you can see how the flower grows. And there is a spirit here to really get this flower to grow. So this is one of my favorite things. I believe it's really, really beautiful and kind to see the flower grow as you add your goals. And it's beautiful to see that you have the 100% of goals for that day, and that the graphic can be very, very high. And this happens for, you see, any day that you add, it will automatically change. It's very easy. There is nothing here. There are cells here that are protected to ensure that you are not changing one of the formulas. So it will be safe. And then at the bottom of each month, you have the weekly habits, and you can even add any notes here that you feel you will want to add. And you have this for each month. So if we go here, February, you can easily analyze by the end how were your months, which month you were better, and analyze in your notes why was it better. This really helps on being consistent, celebrating small wins, and adjust as needed. You can easily change your goals. So I hope this tracker inspires you to build healthier habits and stay connected to your mindfulness journey. And if you'd like to download it, please check the link below in the description. And as always, let me know in the comments what habits are you focusing on this month. And I'd love to hear about your goals, your intentions, and how you're staying motivated to not get these goals just reflected on the end of December or beginning of January, but throughout the year. I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.